Harnessing the solar power of the sun to provide a cleaner, more affordable energy solution is now revolutionizing the way we power our lives. For years, solar power was an expensive choice for those who wanted to go green. However, it is now becoming a viable option for anyone struggling to maintain a household budget in a world where energy prices are becoming extremely unpredictable.
Customers, when they look at converting to solar energy, expect a complicated process, but we simplify that. So Palmetto invests a lot in consumer awareness and understanding of their relationship with energy, and we help them have really great expectations around what to expect in the process.
For me, some incentives for moving towards solar energy were not only to reduce my energy bill, but to reduce my carbon footprint, be a part of the green, clean energy movement, to be a good role model for my children and the future generations, that we all can do something.
There's a federal tax credit incentive that gives you a percentage of your investment in solar as a tax credit. There's also state and local rebates and incentives that are available, so it totally depends on your market. But Palmetto helps you look at those opportunities as you explore clean energy using our platform.
There are a few ways that solar energy can impact a homeowner directly. They can increase their sustainability, they get energy independence, they can produce clean energy and save the environment. It can mitigate rising electricity costs and increase their home value. But the three things that I really feel are the strongest ways that we impact the homeowner by going solar is predictability, control, and independence.
Palmetto Solar can help homeowners estimate their utility savings by switching to solar.
A lot of people are really hesitant to get solar because they think there are really high upfront costs or they're overwhelmed by the permitting and approvals process.
Accessibility is being driven by technology, so you don't have to wait for someone to show up at your door to try to sell you solar. You can go to Palmetto's website, explore options on your own, do your research, get comfortable, and then choose when to make the investment. I think the reason that solar is becoming more accessible to consumers is because of financing options. A lot of consumers don't realize that there are so many financing options out there for them to make a good investment in their home and in their monthly savings.
One of the ways that Palmetto Energy is making solar more accessible is our digital Go Solar platform. This allows consumers and homeowners to go online and find out how much savings they can get, how much their system size needs to be, all of the details that they need for their solar system. They can chat with somebody, and in addition, if they want to pick up the phone and just talk to somebody, they can do that too. Installation process for solar is pretty simple. There's a few steps that we need to take. We'll enroll you in the program, and then we're going to do a virtual site audit so that we can get some information about the house, and then that will allow us to produce some engineered drawings. Once we get those engineered drawings, we can submit for permit and for interconnection and get all of the licenses and permits that we need in order for you to go solar. At that point, we will then schedule an install at your house. Shouldn't take more than 2 or 3 days at tops. And then we get an inspection and then permission to operate, where you're actually able to flip your switch and make your power with the sun. All of that's pretty simple, only takes about 60 to 90 days.
The Palmetto app is the customer's hub for all of their home energy needs. So the Palmetto app, when you're exploring the solar experience, helps you stay in touch and have transparency over the process end to end. So you can see where your installation is at, you can communicate with Palmetto, you can sign documents, approve the placement of panels on your roof, and then after the installation, that's where you view your solar energy production.
Our communication with Palmetto was really easy. They were always available and accessible from start to finish.
A big difference between Palmetto and other providers is that after the installation, we stay with you. So we offer support and proactive monitoring. We let you know if there's an issue that you need to be aware of, and you can always reach out to us for help.
Palmetto is a nationwide clean energy company with a local presence bringing solar to homeowners.
At Palmetto, we believe clean energy is for everyone.
To find out how much you can save going solar, visit palmetto.com/ds. And of course, you can always visit us at designingspaces.tv.